In life, every choice you make creates a new path. What if your code could do the same? Python's if statement is the key to creating smart programs that can react and make decisions. Stop writing code that only follows one path. Let's teach it how to think. Imagine you're building a social media app. You want to feature posts that go viral. Your code uses an if statement to check a condition. Here, it asks, is the like count greater than 500? Since it is, the condition is true, and the code to mark the post as trending is executed. The structure of an if statement is simple but very precise. It begins with the if keyword, followed by a condition that must result in true or false. A colon signals the start of the code block, and the code to be executed must be indented. This indentation is how Python knows which instructions belong to the if statement. In programming, you often need to check for an exact match. In web development, a status code of 200 means success. We use the double equals equals to check if the status code is exactly 200. Its opposite, not equal, written as not equals, lets us check if the status is anything other than success, helping us handle errors. What if you need multiple requirements to be met? In gaming, you might need the right level and a key to enter a dungeon. The AND keyword combines conditions, and all of them must be true for the code to run. Your level is high enough and you have the key, so the gate opens. If either were false, you'd be denied entry. But sometimes you only need one of several conditions to be true. For this, we use the OR keyword. Let's check if the day is a weekend. The first condition, is the day Saturday, is false. But the second condition, is the day Sunday, is true. Because there only needs at least one true condition to pass, the whole statement is true, and the code runs. You now have the fundamental tools for building decision-making logic. By using if with comparison and logical operators, you can control your code's flow with precision. Ready to apply this knowledge? Try the Marathon Qualification Check problem on CodeChef to practice. You've taken a huge step in mastering conditional logic in Python. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.